Hi, today we are going to solve Hackerrank's SQL basic questions. So if you can see here in the skills column, I have specifically selected for SQL basic, and also in the subdomains I have selected for basic select. There are around 20 questions in this domain. So let's start with the first one. Before I get started, let me select my interface. Here are various interfaces that you can select. However, I'm going to work on my SQL today. So let's read the question. Query all column for all American cities in the city table with populations larger than 1 lakh. The country code for America is USA. So basically the name of our table is city. There are 5 types of columns, and we are asked to query data by imposing 2 conditions. So let's write down the query. Select asterisk from city. So if I just run this query, then I will get all the data present in this table irrespective of this condition. That means I will also get data with population less than 100,000 and where the country is other than USA, as you can see here. Okay, so see, like here the country code is NLD. Okay, now let me just add my condition where population is greater than 100,000 and country code is equals to, in a single quote, USA, because country code type is variable characters, so we have to use single quotes. And now let's run the code. If you can see, my code is running just fine, so let me submit it. And yes, that's done.